Updating the available payment methods you accept at your Vrbo listings can be done directly through Guesty. The first way to do that is for all the listings in the Vrbo account. In the Vrbo dashboard, next to the relevant account, click here, scroll down to the Payment Methods section, and tick the relevant boxes. It's recommended to select more than one payment method to provide guests with a few ways to pay. When done, click Save. The second way is to update the payment methods per each listing individually. In the Vrbo dashboard, click the relevant Vrbo account, and then click the listing you'd like to make the changes on. Here on the property page, click Pricing and Policies, and then Channel Payment Settings. In the Vrbo section, click Edit, and then turn this toggle off to override the account settings. Now, tick the relevant boxes, add a note for guests, and click Save. Keep in mind, if you're updating the payment methods at a multi-unit listing, you'll need to make these changes for each individual subunit. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.